Sanibonani bazalwane, ngiyanibingelela egameni likaJesu. Siyabonga kakhulu bazalwane. Ngicela ngithi ukuyiphoza kancane le video. Uma ukuthi uyifuna, ngicela ufollow laphana uMazwide ingane yomntwana. Uzoyithola yonke iphelele. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngale potion le yokuqala akhuluma ngayo uDr. Portia lana. Bafethu, enye yezinto ezibalekile ekufanele abazalwane bayikhumbule, noma ngabe uyinceku, noma ngabe umzalwane, noma ngabe uyimember yebandla elithile, noma ngabe usebandleni elidumile elaziwayo, noma ngabe ke umzalwane, noma ngabe ubani. One of the things ekufanele sizikhumbule, sizazi noma sizibuyise ilento ethi ibandla akusilona elomuntu, ibandla elikaKristu, ibandla elikaJesu. Amen bazalwane. So ke ibandla njengoba kuyelikaJesu, kubalekile bazalwane ukunderstanda ukuthi indlela esitreatana ngayo ebandleni kufanele kube indlela uJesu abezositreata ngayo, ukube bekhona in the present, ukube bekhona ebandleni ngaleso sikhathi. Le ndlela esitreatana ngayo bazalwane iyona edetermine indlela esiphathana ngayo, iyona edetermine indlela ethi lento uJesu asinikeze yona sisayiphethe ngendlela ekufanele iphathwe ngayo yini. Sizobheka ama-comment bafethu nibone ukuthi ngendlela abazalwane abalimele ngayo ebandleni akufanele ngabe kunje bazalwane. Akufanele abazalwane kuze kufinyelele. Omunye bengifunda la kuma-comment uthi nakasayicabanga nalento yesonto, akasayibona nokuthi iyaphila yini. Into kaNkulunkulu ikhona, into kaNkulunkulu iyaphila, kodwa abantu abaphakathi ibona abenze into kaNkulunkulu yalahlekelwa iveli kubo kodwa, ngoba into kaNkulunkulu ngeke izilahlekelwe iveli, izolahlekelwa iveli kuwe wena ochoose ukwenza izinto eziphambene noNkulunkulu. Akusilona elomfundisi ibandla, akusilona elomuntu, kodwa ibandla elikaKristu. Ake kuma-comment bafethu sizwe ukuthi abantu bathini. Right. La nanguwelile bafethu uthi the church hurt me so bad. I fell in love with the wrong guy and there was drama. I had to stand in front of the whole church and explain myself. I was a laughing stock. People enjoyed my misery. I haven't recovered. This happened in 2019. Okay bafethu, uyabona nje lana we are talking about the hurt lo muntu ayitholile instead of the remedy, instead of being helped by the members, by the leaders, by the pastors in the church. But it was isimo sakhe noma into adlula kuyo noma awele kuyo ithathiwe yenziwa ijoke, yenziwa obani abantu abasesontweni. Ku wrong bazalwane, it's very wrong. Fanele sibe ne approach that has a maturity understanding, sibe ne maturity yoku-understanda ukuthi lana we are building the church, we are building members of the church of God. We are not building ourselves, but senza umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu. So ke uma senza umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu fanele silethe i-solution more than creating more problems. Uthi ke umashenge lana emfowethu ngathi ngabe ngilana ngizokhala nje kuphela, mhlambe ngabe ngaphona. I don't see myself going back to worship team. Kumanje angizazi nokuthi ngikhonzaphi because angiboni ngibuyela in my local church. Kufanele nibazalwane abazalwane basho nje. Akufanele bafowethu. Akufanele ukuze kufinyelele la umzalwane ibandla sathi lizele ukuzoba nesolution. Akufanele umzalwane ufinyelele la ehamba khona ebandleni noma agcine eduba. Yes, uJesu akamenzanga lutho, wenziwe abantu. Kodwa abantu abathe nje ubani bazalwane, abathe nje uJesu, ukuthi uJesu bathembile labantu to help each other so that sonke sifinyelele ezulwini, sifinyelele emgomeni uNkulunkulu asibizele wona. How are we going to reach there uma ukuthi thina sisodwa siyalimazana? Yabona nje lo mzalwane uthi nje yena akaziboni ebuyele ebandleni. Lona ke uthi mina I will never recover from church hate. Ngiright ekhaya. Hayi bafowethu. Uthi lona usilindi Zulu uthi yey silimele emabandleni. Unone uthi I'm hurting, was called out for visiting the member of the church who was sick without informing the leadership, yet they never made any effort to visit the lady. I don't even know what to say. I just apologized. Bazalwane, lo mzalwane wenze into efanele yenziwa ama-leaders, efanele yenziwa abantu abahamba phambili, efanele yenziwa abantu who are exemplary to her and to the church as well. Then she took the initiative wayakhona uJesu akasho ukuthi sizoreporta everything. Ma ukuthi fanele ngiphume nje la kwami ngiyoyishumayela, akekho umuntu efanele ngimtshele ukuthi ngiyoyishumayela. uJesu sehambani noyishumayela, uyabona? Ngingakutshela nje just ukuthi ungithandazele, kodwa uma kwenzeka ngangakutshela uthi isikhathi mhlawumbe ngizobe ngihambela nje la endleleni, yabona, sengihlangana nomuntu ngiyamshumayeza egameni lika Jesu, sefanele manje ngenze njani, yabona? So this lady took initiative, washona kamzalwane, wathi uyombona, wabuye wamiswa phambi kwebandla, wathiwa akachaza ukuthi ubeyaphi kanjani ngoba nalama leadership bafowethu akhona indawo yawo safanele ike ibhekisiswe kahle. Uthi-ke uKhero, ngilimele enkonzweni, I'm trying to go back to God kodwa kunzima, it's been years, I really wanna go back. Yabona-ke lo walimala, but now usefuna ukubuyela kuNkulunkulu, kodwa akazi uzobuyela kanjani because he was hurt. Romans 12:21 lona unomthi unomnothi, okay, uthi unganqotshwa ngokubi kodwa nqoba okubi ngokuhle, asiphole sibe siqhubeka nohambo bazalwane. So this is just an encouragement bafethu, nami bengithi ngizofisa ukuthi ngi-ede ekugcineni bazalwane. Yes silimele kodwa-ke asingaye ukuhlangana njengokusho kwezi. Zama ukuthi-ke uma uthi ulinyazwe yilaba, zama ukuthola abanye abakhuluma ngoJesu ungene khona in your process of healing, in your process of ukuphola. Uzama ukuthola enye indawo la uzokhonza khona, la uzohlanganyela khona abazalwane, because ukuhlanganyela kunaleya nto uyivuselelayo kumuntu. So awukwazi ukuhlala ekhaya uthi uzama ukuphola, you won't, because at the end of the day you will have to meet people, and when you meet people lento iyavuka. Kanti musuze wajwayeza ukuthi uhlangana nabo kuzoba lula ukuthi uphole. Uthi-ke lona ubani uSithufuza uthi, yo mom, I used to tell them visions and they pushed me away, never recognized my gift. Hayi bazalwane, yabona nje abefundisi nama-leaders safanele ayifunde lento ethi uma uNkulunkulu ayengazange abe nomona nento yakhe wayinikeza thina, wasethi asiqhubeke nayo siyisebenzise in representing him. Ama-leaders ayenza kanjani into yokuthi avimba abazalwane noma angafuni abazalwane baveze lento uNkulunkulu abanikeze yona? And isifo lesi it's a cancer egcwele emabandleni wonke. uNkulunkulu umholi umbizele to uplift the members, and ama-members they are there to support lo uNkulunkulu ambizile. Kodwa amsupporta kanjani? Amsupporta ngama-gift uNkulunkulu awanikeze wona. So njengomfundisi you have to recognize that and see ukuthi lo mzalwane une-gift, and le gift lona izosiza umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu. It's not about pastors bafethu, it's not about leaders, it's not about pastors, but this is the work of God. It's a factory of God bafethu. Uthi lona Paula, I wish someone can write a book titled How to Heal After Being Hurt in a Church, because people are hurt in a church. Uthi lona, yeah, church hurt is the worst, and the people who hurt you gaslight you into thinking they were not wrong. That's the dangerous thing about being hurt bafethu. Yazi lento yokulimala uthi uyoyireport usesikhathi ugcina sekuwena onephutha ungazi kanjani. Any wrong leyo nto bazalwane, it's very wrong, it's very wrong. Fanele sibe nomqondo bafethu kaNkulunkulu. That is why iBhayibheli lithi mawubekini lo mqondo owawukhona uKristu Jesu owathe mkhulu, ezazi futhi ukuthi mkhulu. Lento yokuba mkhulu angayenza iyayinto eyisivimbo noma yayinto yokuthi abukwe ngayo, kodwa wazithoba walalela kwaze kwaba sekupheleni. That is the attitude uJesu akhuluma ngayo ayidingayo kithi bafowethu. I can go as far as now uzowathola lama comment. Uma ufuna ukwathola lama comment iya laphana kumazwide ingane yomntwana, uzothola yonke le ntshumayelo bese uthola lama comment, nawe bese uyakhomenta to help abazalwane labana, just to encourage them. Nami bakhona engithe ukuthi fahla laphana just ukuthi abazalwane bengagcini belimala okwangempela bengasazi ukuthi bazokwenza njani. Ibandla leli elikaNkulunkulu, let us be very careful how we treat each other endlini kaNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu anibusise abazalwane. May God bless you. Amen.